Hey son, Auntie Lisa just had a baby.
Aww.
We're gonna go meet the baby today.
Yay, okay.
Oh, and there's something I have to tell you.
What?
The baby wasn't born with ears.
No ears?
Yeah, so you're not gonna say anything about that, okay? We're only gonna say nice things.
Okay.
Later that day. Hey guys. Aw, he's beautiful.
Your baby's so cute, Auntie. Can he see good?
Thank you. And yes, his vision is great.
Well, that's good, because if he needed glasses, he'd be screwed.
Oh, great heavens!